Calculating percent of a number. Isaiah goes to the store to buy a bike. Normally, the bike costs $90. However, the bike is on sale for 15% off. How much money does Isaiah save if he buys the bike during this sale? Notice we are only asked how much money Isaiah is saving, not what the new price of the bike is. This means really what we're considering here is what is 15% of $90? There are a couple ways to think about this problem. Both of them rely on us understanding that percent means out of 100. So when we say 15%, what we mean is 15 for every 100. And that can be written like this, 15 hundredths, a fraction, or like this, a decimal, also 15 hundredths. 15% of $90 could be written as 15 hundredths times $90. And when we do that multiplication, we end up with $13.50. This means Isaiah will save $13.50 if he buys the bike during this sale. The $13.50 is 15% of $90. All right, there's another method that we can use here, and what we're going to do is set up a proportion and search for a scale factor. So we write 15% as 15 hundredths. Once again, we write it as a fraction, and what we know is that that's equal to something out of $90. 15 is a part of 100, and so we need an equivalent part of $90. We need to figure out, what do you multiply 100 by to get 90? And that's going to be our scale factor. So what we can do is work backwards. If we're thinking 100 times something equals 90, we can rewrite this problem as 90 divided by 100 equals 0.9, 9/10. So our scale factor that is going to relate these two fractions is 9/10. 15 multiplied by 9/10 also gives us $13.50. So either way that we solve this problem, we find out that Isaiah will save $13.50 if he buys the bike during this sale. Two methods. Feel free to use either one. Both will always work, so it will be your choice.